Hey guys, it's Annie Margarita Yang back with another Annie Yang financial video for you today. Today, I will be reviewing this AI headshot generator called Snappr. They only offer one plan. It's a $19 plan, and they only output 6 photos. So out of all of the ones that I've reviewed so far, I think this is number 6 out of 23. They are offering the least amount of options, and it's also the most expensive per photo because, as you can see, these others are all a couple cents per photo when you work out the math, and then $19 for 6 really ends up being $3 a photo. Anyway, I feel like in the grand scheme of things, this isn't a lot of money because $19 is quite cheap compared to a photo shoot that costs $300 to $500. The whole reason why I am doing this review series of different AI headshot generators for the next 2 weeks is because I will be helping college students with their job search, because we have a problem in our country where 43% of recent college grads are either underemployed or unemployed. So I will be working to help solve this problem. And one of the things is college students cannot afford to get a headshot taken by a professional. They do not have $300 to $500 lying around for a service like this. So I'm thinking maybe you guys can try uploading photos of yourself and using an AI headshot generator as a potential affordable solution. So I'm paying out of my own pocket to do all of these reviews so that I could help save you guys some money. So don't waste your money. I will save you the money, and I will find out what are the ones on the market that give the most realistic, natural looking photos that are still going to be suitable for your LinkedIn headshot. Okay. So let's get started with Snappr and see how this goes. So here I'm on the site already. They don't offer an affiliate link, by the way. So even if you end up liking this service, you can't help me out there. Personalize your photos by choosing a custom package. Okay. Upload 20 photos, at least 20. Okay. Create photos where your full face is visible. Okay. And then upload varied photos, including headshots, torsos, and full body. Okay. But I don't want to upload like the full torso. I just want to upload the squares that I've been having. So they have these different options. They have professional, casual, fall vibes, watercolor, comic style, and pencil drawing. We're going for professional because we are using this for LinkedIn. And then let's see, background color. I tend to go with neutral. I feel like anything like this orange is just too much. No. Neutral is the way to go, guys. 20 images. All right, I gotta plug this in to my computer. See. Start uploading. Yep, okay, I need some more. They want some more. Unfortunately, I am not the kind of person that takes a lot of photos of myself, even though I'm a YouTuber. So I have to reach into my YouTube thumbnail library where I took like 300 photos of myself all in one go last November. So these are 1 year old, but it's okay. Let me just grab some random pictures of myself where I'm not touching my face. Let's take a look. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should do it, right? Yeah. Okay. Out of all the sites, this one asks for the most to upload. They all ask between around maybe 12 to 17. This one's asking for 20. Okay, crop the photos. Frame the subject. Okay. Let's see. Okay, time to crop this one. Let's see. Hey, at least the cropping functionality on this site works. The one on Try It On AI was driving me crazy. I had to crop those in Photoshop and then upload. So I like that this works. Okay. Okay. That's just too much. Now it's time for me to pay, but I don't want you guys to know my credit card info, so see you in the next scene. Okay, guys, I just paid, but apparently they have this special offer where you can get more than just the 6. So when you're checking out, they don't tell you this, and it's not public on the site, but I guess after you pay, you can get some more. So I actually want to update my sheet right now so that I can get this accurate price. Just a moment. I think it's only fair I do this for everyone. Okay. So there's the get 3 more. Oh, basic. Get 3 more. Get 6 more. Get 12 more. So it's for only, get 3 more for only $6. So $6 on top of 19. Get 3 more is 12. It's 9. Get 3 more for only $6. So $25. Get 6 more for only $10. $29 for 12. And then get 12 more. So it's 18. And then 19 times 2 is 38. Okay. All right, so I'll get the 12 more because what I'm going to do for all of these is I'm going to basically get the most expensive option so that you can see the full range of options that it turns out. And then it says the results will be ready in 30 minutes. So I'll be back in 30 minutes, but you guys only have to wait a few seconds. Hey guys, I am back. I just got this email 6 minutes ago from Snappr saying that my headshots are ready for selection. Which one was Snappr again? Because I've been recording 5 in a row at this point. Snappr was the one that asked me to upgrade to get more photos. Okay, so this one, they're only giving me 18 photos. That's how much I paid for. Let's take a look. Because if I'm only getting 18 for the price that I paid, which is like per photo, on a per photo basis, more expensive than the other ones that I paid for so far, these better be well worth it. I sure hope they are well worth it. Let's see. Oh my gosh. No, guys, this doesn't look anything like me. It's so off. This is 18 photos of me. This is really such a waste of my money. And then they put watermarks on everything. Wait, is this really 18? No way. This is more than 18. Oh, so what this is they give you a whole bunch, but they only let you select and keep 18. I thought like 18 means they only give you a total of 18. All right, so I'm going to scroll through this. Clearly, I think the beginning looks nothing like me, but maybe the later ones might have something to it. Hopefully. I don't know. I feel like it's just got my eyes and my lips just totally wrong. It's hard for me to describe. I mean, like, this might work. Maybe. It just, maybe this one. I'll take this. Guys, these photos came out, I feel like, looking like a completely different person. Pretty much. They're just not good results. They don't resemble me at all. Might as well have done a Google search for just Asian woman, because I would have done that, you know? I could start my own quote-unquote AI service, and then just whatever race the person is, I can look on Google for some pictures, like let's say Asian woman, and then just upload it and say, boom, there you go. And then I don't even have to do the work myself. Maybe I can hire someone on Fiverr to do the work and pay less than minimum wage. Don't do it. The service, I feel like, is not worth it. It doesn't resemble me at all. I feel like this is on the same level as Vidnas. Hard pass. No. Fail. Okay, I'm going to take my time after this video to download some of the ones that probably resembled me most, and I will put this on my website for you to see the comparisons. Like this one probably looks like me. Oh my goodness. Okay, anyway, time to wrap up. If you enjoyed today's video, I recommend that you head over to AnnieYangFinancial.com to find the article where I compare all of the AI headshot generators that I'm reviewing. All you need to do is go to the top, click on book resources, go to resources again. You're going to scroll down to chapter 16 where it says AI headshot generators. Click read. And then over here, you're going to see this article. It's a, work in the making. It's going to be continually updated for the next 2 weeks to show the results of the different AI headshot generators that have come back. So take a look here. For any of the ones that you felt like really did come out good and resemble me, then I highly recommend that you support my channel by clicking on the affiliate links if they are available. And I clearly state which ones are an affiliate link and how much money I make on the commission. Some of these sites, they don't offer any affiliate links, so that's too bad for me because I'm paying out of my own pocket to do all this research for you and save you some money. So you don't waste any money. Like, don't waste your money on Snappr, guys. Even if I did get an affiliate link, I don't think I'm selling their service very well here because I didn't like their service. If you enjoy these videos and you enjoy and find the career advice that I am offering to you guys very valuable, then please buy the 5-day job search book to support my channel. If you're on the fence on whether you want to invest your money into getting the book, the audiobook is free. You just go to the top and then under resources, there is the audiobook. All you need to do is put in your name and your email address and it's available for download. If after listening to the 5-hour audiobook, you are going to decide, oh my gosh, this is chock full of so much information that I can't do it. It's like eating an elephant. I have to eat this one bite at a time. So the way to really complete this book is to read a little bit, take action. Read a little bit, take action. So that's why you will most likely decide to get the paperback copy. And if you do, then I highly recommend that you go back to the homepage of my site and you get the signed paperback copy, because what's more special than having a paperback personally signed by the author herself? Click on this orange button, buy my signed copy now, and upon checkout, you can use the coupon code WIN, WIN, for a 10% off discount on the signed paperback copy. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos in the future, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.